common factors and common multiples, and then co-prime numbers. In my previous video, I already told about what is factors and what is multiples I told. So factors are the nothing but the divisors, exact complete divisor. If you divide any number with a given number, you will get the remainder as a 0. So factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So here I give an example 24. So you have to find the factors for 24. That is, you have to find the exact divisors. Okay, so here I mentioned the factors for 24: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Whatever the numbers, if you take and divide the given number, so you will get the complete division, that is the remainder as a 0. So factor is nothing but the exact divisors. You can do either, you can do it in the factor tree method also. And then multiples also I told in my previous video, that is multiples is nothing but the, you have to mention the tables, multiplication tables. For example, here I given multiples of 9. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and it goes on. So you have to mention the tables for the multiples. Okay, now we'll come to the topic, that is common factors. So what is common factors? The same thing. So here they will give the two numbers, pair of numbers they will give. So for that two numbers, you have to find the factors first and then find the common factors in this. So that is a common factor. So you just see the examples here. 8 and 20 I given. So find the factors, that is find the exact divisors for 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are the factors for 8. And what about for 20? Next, find out the next number, that is the factors for 20, that is equal to, so factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So these are the complete divisors, right? So if you take any number from this and if you divide the given number, means it's a complete division, that is you will get the remainder as a 0. So these are the complete divisors. So you have to mention the factors for the numbers and then find what are all the numbers which are common. Okay. So here 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4 for both the numbers having 1, 2, 4. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4 for 8 and 20. Okay. So here I will give one more example, that is 9 and 15. So for this you have to find the common factors. So what is the first step? You have to mention the factors of the numbers. So 9. So what are the divisors, complete divisors for 9? 1, 3, and 9. And factors of 15, that is equal to 1, 3, 5, and 15. So what is the next step? When you mentioned the factors, so the next step is find the common factors in that. Common numbers. Pick up the common numbers from this. So here 1 and 3. Just look at this group and this one. So 1 and 3 are common. So the 1 and 3 are the common factors of 9 and 15. Okay. Then the next topic is a common multiples. So what is common multiples? So for this, you have to mention the multiples of the pair of numbers. Here also they will give two numbers or either three numbers. So you have to mention the multiples of that given number and then find the common number from that. Okay. So here the question, find the first three common multiples of. So 6 and 8 I given. So what is the first step? Mention the multiples of 6. So you already know the table, 6 the table, right? It's very easy to list out it. Okay. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Just list out the multiples of 6. Okay. And then next one, multiples of 8. So next number here I given 8. So list out the multiples of 8. In the question they asked three common multiples. Okay, so you have to mention, at least choose three common multiples from this. So multiples of 6 first mention and then multiples of 8 and then find the common numbers here. 24 is there. 24 is there. This is the one of the common multiple from this, and the second common number is a 48. Okay, and then third one is a 72. Okay, so the first three common multiples of 6 and 8, that is 24, 48, and 72. So two steps you have to follow, that is first you have to mention the multiples of the given number, what they given. So here 5 and 10, the second example, look at the next example, 5 and 10. It's very easy, just list out the multiples of 5, that is a multiplication table of 5 and the multiplication table of 10, and then find out, pick up the first three common multiples, first three common multiple, because the question they ask first three common multiples, so you have to mention the common multiples. So from this 5 and 10, what are all the common numbers are here? 10, 10 for both, and 20 is there, 30 is there. So first three common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20 and 30. Now we'll move on to the next topic is co-prime numbers. So what is co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called the co-prime numbers. If they give a pair of numbers, find the factors for the pair of numbers, and in that factors both the numbers have only one as a common factor. So if you see the example, it easy to understand. So now the example one, factors of 4 and 15. So 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Okay, now list out the factors for 4 and also 15. For 4, 1 to 4, and 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. So from this only one for both you just compare the factors. Okay, only one as a common factor, right? So if you get only one, that is one as a common factor, means that then that given number can be, it should be a co-prime numbers. Look at the next example here, factors of 7 and 10. So 7 and 10 are the co-prime numbers. For that you list out the factors first and compare the factors. So only one is a common for both, right? So 7 and 10 are the co-prime numbers. And next, one more example I given, just 15 and 8. 15 and 8 is also co-prime numbers, because if you mention here, I mentioned the factors. So from that, compare the factors. Only one should be as a common factor for both. Then that given number can be the co-prime number. So two numbers having only one as a common factor are called as co-prime numbers. So hope this video can be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.